Yes, I was walking through the park and saw probably the most disturbing thing of my entire life. Well, I'm gonna go end the most disturbing thing of my entire life. That's better. Dumb, dumb, dumb. Ooh! Oh! That one hurt. Much better. What just moved? Are you kidding me? Let's just crush its head in. Yeah. There, now it's dead. For good. For good.